This June, I'm gonna be speaking at Penpod Festival in Barcelona, Spain. I will be talking about the future of UI design and how the past of UI design will be informing that future. If you don't know, Penpod is an open source design tool that has been taking the design world by storm by implementing a lot of the features that developers really love. I've been a strong supporter of them, and I also did an interview with the CEO that you can find the link to in the description below. There's a lot of really interesting things going on there. It's really interesting how this industry is booming right now and how it's shaping the future of design tools. So I'm excited for it. And if you want to join the event, go to the link in the description. You can still find the tickets there. So see you in Barcelona, and I'm gonna be vlogging from the event, so there will be some videos soon as well. Have a beautiful day.